Hi there, and welcome to iHealthBrokers 1-Minute Healthcare Update. If you have questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at 888-918-0518. There is no charge for our services. Recently, there have been many steps taken in the hopes of tackling the insurmountable medical debt that so many Americans face. The surprise medical bill ban went into act, the price transparency rule passed, and additionally, the 3 largest credit reporting agencies have changed the way they applied medical debt. But is this enough? It turns out not quite, because although the 3 credit reporting agencies are changing the way they apply strictly medical debt, so much of that medical debt is already placed on credit cards or provided by loans through friends and family. Medical debt is not just a problem of the poor and uninsured. There's a large population of people who make over $100,000 who also face severe medical debt. In fact, most people in the United States who have medical debt have health insurance. Add to that a recent poll indicated that half the people polled did not have $500 to cover an unexpected medical expense, and it's a huge problem. Now, as I mentioned, even people with health insurance may have some type of medical debt. So please, when you are selecting your health insurance, be very aware of the deductibles and the out-of-pocket maximums to ensure that they fit comfortably within your budget. As always, please make sure to message us with any comments or questions or give us a call at 888-918-0518. And if you'd like, you can find us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Thanks so much for watching.